Deep within every living cell, from the tiniest bacterium to the largest whale, lies an extraordinary molecule called DNA. This microscopic thread holds the very instructions that make life possible. DNA is the blueprint of life, a genetic code that determines our traits, shapes our characteristics, and drives the diversity of life on Earth. Imagine a vast library filled with ancient scrolls. These scrolls contain the secrets of life itself, passed down through generations. DNA is like those scrolls, carrying within its structure the hereditary information that makes each species unique. It dictates everything from the color of your eyes to the shape of a bird's beak. This genetic information is crucial for survival. It guides the development of an organism from a single cell into a complex being. Without DNA, life as we know it would cease to exist. Join us on a journey into the heart of the cell as we unravel the mysteries of DNA and explore its profound impact on the natural world. DNA's structure is as elegant as it is functional. This intricate molecule resembles a twisted ladder, known as a double helix. The two sides of the ladder are composed of sugar and phosphate molecules, forming a sturdy backbone. Connecting these two strands are rungs made up of pairs of nitrogenous bases. There are 4 types of these bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These bases pair up in a very specific way. Adenine always pairs with thymine and guanine always pairs with cytosine. This precise pairing is essential for DNA's ability to replicate and pass on genetic information accurately. The sequence of these bases along the DNA ladder forms the genetic code. This code, like a complex language, carries the instructions for building and maintaining an organism. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure in 1953 was a landmark moment in the science. It revolutionized our understanding of genetics and opened up new avenues for research. The beauty of the double helix lies not only in its visual appeal, but also in its ingenious design, perfectly suited for its vital role as the guardian of life's blueprint. Think of DNA as a language that cells understand and use to build and operate the machinery of life. The letters of this language are the 4 bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Just as the letters in the alphabet can be arranged to form words with different meanings, the sequence of bases in DNA forms genes. Genes are like individual sentences in the DNA language. They provide the instructions for creating specific proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out a wide range of functions, from transporting molecules to catalyzing biochemical reactions. The specific sequence of bases within a gene dictates the order of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. This precise order determines the protein's shape and function. The language of DNA is universal, meaning that the same code is used by all living organisms on Earth. From bacteria to humans, the same 4 bases and the same genetic code govern the processes of life. This universality is a testament to the shared ancestry of all living things. One of the most remarkable features of DNA is its ability to replicate itself. When a cell divides, its DNA molecule unwinds and separates into 2 strands. Each strand then serves as a template for the creation of a new complementary strand. This process ensures that each new cell receives an identical copy of the original DNA molecule. This faithful replication of DNA is the basis of heredity. When organisms reproduce, they pass on copies of their DNA to their offspring. This is why children inherit traits from their parents, such as eye color, hair texture, and even predispositions to certain diseases. Heredity is the passing of genetic information from one generation to the next, ensuring the continuity of life. The process of DNA replication is incredibly accurate, but occasional errors can occur. These errors, known as mutations, can alter the genetic code and introduce variation into a population. While some mutations can be harmful, others can be beneficial, providing the raw material for evolution. Section 5. Genes, the architects of traits. Genes, those segments of DNA that code for proteins, play a pivotal role in shaping an organism's traits. Each gene contains the instructions for building a specific protein, and these proteins contribute to the development and function of various characteristics. For example, a gene might determine the color of a flower's petals or the shape of a bird's beak. The relationship between genes and traits is complex and often involves multiple genes interacting with each other and the environment. Some traits are determined by a single gene, while others are influenced by a combination of genes. Environmental factors can also play a role, influencing how genes are expressed. The study of genes and their relationship to traits is a central focus of genetics. By understanding how genes work, scientists can gain insights into the mechanisms of heredity, disease, and evolution. This knowledge has led to breakthroughs in medicine, agriculture, and other fields. Section 6 in the chromosomes: packaging life's instructions. If DNA is the blueprint of life, then chromosomes are the neatly organized filing cabinets that store this vital information within the cell's nucleus. Chromosomes are thread-like structures made up of DNA and proteins. They are essential for ensuring that DNA is copied and distributed accurately during cell division. Each human cell normally contains 23 pairs of chromosomes for a total of 46. One chromosome from each pair is inherited from the mother, and the other is inherited from the father. This pairing of chromosomes is essential for sexual reproduction and ensures that offspring inherit a mix of genetic information from both parents. The number and structure of chromosomes can vary between species. For example, fruit flies have only 4 pairs of chromosomes, while some ferns have over 100 pairs. Despite these differences, the fundamental role of chromosomes in organizing and protecting DNA remains the same across all life forms. Section 7. Unlocking the secrets of heredity. The discovery of DNA's structure and the mechanisms of heredity revolutionized the field of genetics. Scientists now have powerful tools to study genes, track their inheritance patterns, and understand their role in health and disease. This knowledge has led to significant advances in medical diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. For example, genetic testing can identify individuals who are at risk for certain inherited diseases, allowing for early intervention and personalized treatment plans. Gene therapy, while still in its early stages, holds promise for correcting genetic defects and treating a wide range of diseases. Beyond medicine, genetics has had a profound impact on agriculture, forensics, and conservation. By understanding the genetic makeup of crops and livestock, farmers can breed varieties that are more resistant to disease, pests, and environmental stresses. Forensic scientists use DNA profiling to identify criminals and solve crimes. Conservationists use genetic analysis to track endangered species, assess their genetic diversity, and develop conservation strategies. Section 8. DNA, the foundation of life's diversity. DNA's ability to replicate and mutate is the driving force behind the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Over millions of years, small changes in DNA sequences have accumulated, leading to the evolution of new species with unique adaptations. From the towering redwoods to the microscopic bacteria that inhabit our gut, every living organism is a testament to the power of DNA. The study of DNA allows us to trace the evolutionary relationships between different species. By comparing the DNA sequences of different organisms, scientists can construct evolutionary trees that reveal their shared ancestry and patterns of divergence. This understanding of life's interconnectedness fosters a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. DNA is a reminder that all living things are connected, sharing a common ancestor from billions of years ago. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the power of DNA to adapt, evolve, and create an astonishing array of life forms. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the most complex animals, DNA is the common thread that binds us all together. Section 9. The future of DNA, a world of possibilities. As our understanding of DNA continues to grow, so too do the possibilities for using this knowledge to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. In medicine, researchers are developing new gene therapies for diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and cystic fibrosis. In agriculture, scientists are using genetic engineering to create crops that are more nutritious, drought-resistant, and less reliant on pesticides. The ethical implications of these advancements are complex and require careful consideration. As we venture further into the realm of genetic manipulation, it is crucial that we proceed with caution and ensure that these technologies are used responsibly for the benefit of all humankind. The journey into the world of DNA is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. From the discovery of its structure to the development of gene editing technologies, our understanding of DNA has advanced at an unprecedented pace. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of this remarkable molecule, we can look forward to a future where DNA plays an even greater role in improving human health, sustaining our planet and unlocking the secrets of life itself.